last June I came here with Marta. We had the possibility to visit these coffee growers, and at the time I had already a feedback from a capping, okay, from a sample that Heinrich already sent to me last year, and the feedback was extremely good. It was made by one of our coffee experts we work with at the Slow Food Foundation. And but the problem is that we didn't have enough information about the origins of that coffee. Piero has just tasted yesterday is the two varieties that Heinrich was mentioning, the Kishansa and Ganda. So maybe we can listen from him.
Io non è il mio mestiere assaggiare caffè, ma adesso faremo un assaggio scientifico, insomma, tra virgolette. Comunque il Kishansa, quello a chicco grosso, è molto più buono, ha una buona acidità, non è amaro, cioè è straordinario, però robusto.
This variety, the Kishansa variety, is very, very resistant to drought. Even if it's very dry, you can still pick. Yes, and also the resistance to the wilt, the coffee wilt disease. Where there is a big problem of the coffee wilt disease, other varieties will die out. This one will still survive.
Of picking instead of stripping, is it just been taught by someone, by the project, or it has been used traditionally? Yeah.
The question is not possible exported the Kinshasa.
Yeah?
Still quantity.
Yes, the quantities are small.
Small.
Small quantity.
It's a problem, eh?